I hope the Ethereum BTC will not drop to the buy line again, because many tokens, guys, here in the log, I found the buy line on Cardano on 12 time frame, this one fundamental price line on the USDT on the max, fundamental price line for near protocol, weekly time frame buy line ADA on the weekly time frame, fundamental price line for the DOT, and the buy line sold daily. So I hope will not drop to the buy line, but the line going down, unfortunately. So the last time I posted at the beginning of November the video about Ethereum BTC trading pair, it was 0.025. Now this line is here, so approximately like this one, 0.02474, unfortunately, guys, and it's exactly even lower than the full fill of the weekly gap. I hope we just hold the line here by end of the week. I hope we're just gonna retest the buy line on the monthly. Of course, we already retested here, but I hope we just retest 0.03, 0.51, and go higher. Two the main take profit targets for the altcoin season. It's 0.06075, 0.06841. A take profit line on the monthly, exit line on the monthly. If we talk about the monthly time frame, this fee from the September 22, this one impulse. So if we count, like this is one big impulse, drop, bounce, we didn't even bounce to 38 level by FIB. So the correction should be at least to correction, I mean, of this downtrend. So to 0.5 level by FIB of this one. After that, I guess it's 61. Can be the end of cycle. I don't think so. We're going to rocket to this high of March 18. No, I don't think so. You know, so most likely we will consolidate like and start build something like, you know, this one. And in zone 28, zone 30 maybe, we will find some direction for this trading pair. Maybe till that time will be something new, right? Maybe the big institution will build own chains, you know. Maybe will be some something new with Ethereum. We can't know, right? But now it looks like that direction what I showed you. So the daily, weekly, monthly time frame, I showed you the buy line. This is a take profit. This is a, you know, it's time where you need to fix basically the altcoins. And I hope we will see that targets. Here is the data from dashboard, Gridfly dashboard. I highly recommend you use this brand new indicator. It's save you a lot of time, a lot of space on a screen, you know, all in one place. You can track it just by time frame and track it. So take profit, I showed it on the monthly, weekly. Take profit line now it's 0.049. This one exit line is about 0.5 level by FIB, so around here. The buy line on the weekly looks like this one. Daily buy line, oh, it's even lower. So guys, I hope we're gonna hold the line here, because if not, guys, it's gonna, if now, for example, you know, the BTC will bounce. BTC dominance now 58.94, and if BTC dominance go higher and the institutional start selling at Ethereum against the BTC, so yes, BTC can go higher, but Ethereum can drop lower. Ethereum USDT will drop lower, maybe even to 2K, maybe even to 2K US, and to this level. I hope not. I hope we just hold the line here at 0.03, something here, and bounce back. Because if not, guys, it will be the next 2-3 months, tough months for the retailers who invested like I did in altcoins. But we can't control the market. We can only work with the data, what we get now. So this is a buy line. This is a take profit on the daily. I hope we just hold the line on the weekly. ADZ direction, guys. On the weekly, it was time to sell in August 25. Ethereum. Now, it's like a buy, not a buy, it's accumulation zone in November here, but not so that big like it was here. But without the awareness, it's a good one. Monthly, we're in accumulation. It's good. It's bullish, still bullish. Daily, it's neutral. Technically, it's not bullish, not bearish, just neutral. But at least We've been here in accumulation. I hope, guys, of course, will not end the cycle, but it's possible. It's possible. So maybe the 126 was the end of cycle, and this time we will not see the money rotation into altcoins. Who knows? We can't know. Daily, it was time to sell Ethereum against BTC. Weekly, time for accumulation Ethereum pump. Now nothing. No accumulation, no distribution. Monthly, yes, looks like still early. We are now at the level of around like October 73, just in case. So nothing special. But of course, till that at that time, the Ethereum BTC tradable here at 0.5 level FIB. So now nothing, guys. No accumulation, no. But at least it's good. No sales signal. Money power. Here somebody accumulated Ethereum against BTC. We pump it. Now nothing. Weekly accumulation Ethereum against BTC. Fixation Ethereum. Push a little bit higher. Drop. So once again, we will can drop to the bottom here and see these levels. Unfortunately, guys. Of course, some people will start talking about the double bottom. If we will see something like this one, I hope it's going to be the double bottom. The size of that double bottom will be exactly this point, but we will wait the few weeks again and waiting that recover back. So just in case, guys, it can be potential drop like 25% more. I hope not, but guys, it's possible. Markets more on a daily total capitulation disbelief. Weekly, still some hope. People waiting some recover. And the monthly, what is most bullish signal? It's a disbelief. All this period since September 24, we are in a disbelief area on Ethereum BTC trading pair. And the last, guys, indicator is trade on. Monthly signal to buy was here made 75. Now nothing. Buy made 75. Take profit. Sell. What is bad, guys? No take profit signal from this sale. I hope, of course, we will see some bounces. Again, sell, correction, sell, end of cycle, 1, 2, 3 dress pattern. People will start talk about a break of structure and we skyrocket to the 10K or so, but I think this is going to be the end of cycle for Ethereum. By price, Ethereum USDT, I'm waiting around 6K, 800, something like this one. So between the 8 and 7K for Ethereum. Guys, write please in the comment what do you think about Ethereum BTC. Do you think we will see the Ethereum altcoin season or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer service shown on this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.